Hello there. In this video, I will teach you how the attendees can interact inside the Airmeet events. Let's get started. First, go to this event landing page by clicking on your event link. Click on Enter Event and fill in your attendee card. Once done, simply click on this Enter button to enter the event. And now you are inside the event. At the top left, you will see the event logo, you will see the event name. You can also click on View Schedule to see all the sessions by their dates. You can also search the session by their name or by tags, if any. You can also search them by their status, that is live session, upcoming session, or completed session. For the completed sessions, if the organizers has enabled the session replay, then you will see this watch replay button. You can simply click on it to rewatch that session. And this part is the social lounge. The social lounge is the virtual lounge wherein you have virtual tables. You can join these virtual tables by simply clicking on this join button. And here you can connect with others using your camera and mic. You can also share your screen if there are more than one people in this table. If you have any camera or mic issues, you can simply click on this two-line icon. And from here, you can select different cameras if you want to. Same with the microphone. You can select different microphones, or you can also test your microphones from here. You can also select different speakers or test your speaker. If you come to the camera section again, you will see the virtual backgrounds. You can add these virtual backgrounds to your video by simply selecting the background. You can select any backgrounds. If you want to remove the virtual background, then you can simply click on here and remove it. If you want to add a blur, you can do so by clicking on here. Or if you have your own image that you want to add as a virtual background, then you can simply click on here and upload the same. Once done, go ahead and save it. If there are many people on this table, you can also change the table layout of this table. Now, if you would like to invite someone to your table, then you can click on this icon. And from here, you can either choose to invite the individuals or publish a public invite. To invite the individuals, you can simply check these boxes and send invitation to that particular people. Once they see the invitation and accept the invitation, they will be led to this table. Now, if you like to invite certain people to your table, then you can also type in their name and invite them on your table. Now let us understand the public invite. Simply hover over here and click on it. And now click on Publish Invite. The public invitation will be sent out here, and whoever likes to join your table can simply click on this join button and join you on the table. Inside this table, you can also chat with others through these chat options. By clicking on here, you will also see all the table participants, and you can invite more people from here as well. You can also minimize this table by clicking on this minimize icon, and it will be minimized at the bottom left, or you can maximize it by clicking on this maximize icon. You can also go full screen by clicking on here, or if you like to leave this table, then you can simply click on this cross icon and leave the table. You can join any table by clicking on the join button. During your event, if there are numerous tables, then you can also search the table by simply plugging in their name in here. Now, if the event organizers have enabled a discussion table, then you will see this section out here. You can simply click on Create a New Table to create a new discussion table. You can enter the table name. You can also add an image if you like to. You can also set up the number of seats by clicking on this minus or plus icon. The maximum number of seat settings you can do from here is 8, but you can have up to 15 people on your table. And you can also set your table set as fixed or expanding. If you set the table as expanding, then once there are 8 people on the table, one seat will be automatically added to this table. But if you set the settings as fixed, then once there are 8 people on this table, nobody will be able to join you on this table. Once you're done setting it up, you can go ahead and save it, and a new discussion table will appear out here. You can invite people to join you on this table, and once done with the discussion, you can leave the table by clicking on this leave icon. Since you are the creator of this table, you will get this prompt to either stay on the table or to delete the table. If there are still people discussing in this table, then you may want to stay on the table. If there is none, then you can click on delete the table and it will be deleted. You can always go back and create a new table by clicking on here, but you can only create one table at a time. Now coming on to the right hand side section, under the chat, you will see all the chats sent out during the event. If you like a certain chat, you can also give a thumbs up to that chat. If you like to reply to the chat, then you can simply hover over it and simply click on this arrow icon and reply to that chat. You can also click on the three dot icon and either send a direct message to this person or report the chat in case of abuses. Now coming on to the Q&A section, you will see all the questions posted during these sessions out here. You can also filter them by the sessions or by most upvotes or the latest question or by the status of the question, that is all question, answered question, unanswered question, or your question. You can come to the post section and see all the posts that are posted during the session. You can also filter the posts by the session or by the poll type, that is live poll, closed poll, or all poll. Now coming on to the top section, if you click on this people section, you will see all the people who are inside this event. During the event, you can also search for a certain attendee by typing in their name in this section. You can also change the attendee view into list view as well. From the attendee list, you can also directly message the person by clicking on send message. Now coming on to the message section, you will see all the direct messages sent to you by the people. So you can simply click on the message and reply the message from there. From the direct message, you can also view the profile of the person who has sent you the direct message by clicking on this profile icon. Now coming on to the alert section, you will see all the announcements sent out by the event organizer out here. You can also choose to enable or disable the notification sounds. If the announcements have links, then you will see this go to link icon. You can simply click on it and go to that particular link. Now, if you click on a name on the top right, you will see three options, that is my profile, language, and exit. If you click on my profile, then you can see your profile details. You can click on complete profile to complete your profile details. You can add your first and last name. You can add your designation or job title. You can write a little bit about yourself. You can also add interest by clicking on here and selecting the interest that you like. You can select up to 5 interests, and once done, you can click on done, and those interests will be sent out here. During the event, you can connect with people who has the same interest. Now you can also add external links to your profile, that is LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or if you have your own website. You can simply click on here and plug in the link. Once done, your CTA logo will come up here. Same with the Twitter and others. The CTA button will come up here, and whenever people will click on this button on your profile, they will be led to your page. You can also upload your image by clicking on here. Once done, you can go ahead and save it. Now you can also change the text language of this event by clicking on this language and selecting your desired language. As you can see, certain text has been changed to the language that you chose, that is French. The change of language that you have applied here will only reflect for you and not for anyone else. And if you would like to exit the event, then you can do so by clicking on this exit button. In the social webinar format, when the sessions are live, you will not be able to access the social lounge. You will be directly led to the event. Let us see how that works. You will get a 10 seconds timer when the session starts to be ready for the session. And like I said before, you will be led to the live stage where the speakers and hosts will be speaking on the stage. During the live session, you can support the speakers and hosts by using these reactions. You can also access these reactions by clicking on the keyboard numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you would like to share your thoughts on the screen, you can simply click on raise a hand. And if the organizers allows you, then you will be led to the live stage to share your thoughts. Or if you would like to decline it, you can simply click on here and the request will be declined. You can also come to the live stage if the event host invites you on the stage. You simply have to click on accept invite to accept this invitation and be on the live stage. While on the live stage, the host can mute your camera and mic if necessary, but they cannot unmute it. While on the live stage, you can also share your screen by clicking on this share screen button, and you can either share the PDF file or your screen. You can also send out the reactions by clicking on this reactions icon and select the type of reactions that you want to send out. If you have any camera or mic issues or would like to apply, change, or update the virtual background, then you can simply click on this icon and do so. While on the live stage, you will also see the speaker chat, wherein you can chat with the host and other speakers on the stage without including the other attendees. As an invited attendee, you will get a speaker tag while you are on the stage. But if you had come through the raise hand feature, then you would be having the attendee card. Once you're done sharing your thoughts on the screen, the host can remove you from the live stage. In case of bandwidth or internet issues, you can also change the resolution of the stream by clicking on here and selecting the high definition mode, low definition mode, audio only mode, or the light mode. If you would like to go full screen, you can also click on this icon and you can go full screen. And during the live session, if you would like to hide this RHS section, then you can simply click on this hide panel and it will be hidden at the bottom. And if you would like to show it again, you can do so by clicking on the hide panel again. During the sessions, if you have any issues and need help, then you can click on this question mark icon. And from here, you can click on 24/7 support lounge, where our executives will help you with your issues. Or you can also get our chat support, or you can check out our articles. If the session is paused or ended, then you will be led back to the social lounge, wherein you can network with others. Well, those are all the controls that the attendee can have during the event. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.